Hello, dear friends. My name is Sunil Chaudhary. I'm the founder of JustBazaar.com, one of the best business directories in India and in New York. Let me show you. So there are many. That's not a problem. But Just Bazaar, it is one of the best business directories in India and in New York. Here you can see. So in this video, I'm going to discuss about like how can you claim your listing on Just Bazaar. So this is Just Bazaar. You can create your business listing. Free business listings are now stopped because lots of efforts are required to maintain the systems and softwares and everything. So you can go to Just Bazaar in order to claim your listing. And for example, there is a doctor, Dr. Mahesh Srivastava, and he wants to claim his listing on Just Bazaar. So you can claim a listing on Just Bazaar when a listing is already existing. Listing is already existing. In that case, you can claim that listing. If there is no listing already, you have to create a new listing. So the doctor is searching Mahesh Srivastava and Surrender and that new like he can search with oncologist like that also. There is some problem. Because there is a problem. There is another way. Bazaar, Doctor Mahesh Srivastava, Aligarh. So here is the URL. There might be some problem with the search. We can rectify that later. Right now, we are discussing how to claim. So the listing is already existing in Just Bazaar, and if that is not the case, you can create your business listing by clicking here, add your business listing here. It seems that Dr. Mahesh Srivastava has already claimed his listing, so we have to check some other listing how to claim. So, so we can apply. Let's put New York. So from New York, we have some listings. Let's have a look. Yes. So this his card, or you can say HIS card. This listing is not actually claimed. So what you can do, you can claim this listing. You can click here, claim this listing, and here you can put the details. Why are you claiming this listing? I am the right owner of this business listing. You can provide your email address, or anything else you want to mention. You can mention here. Then you can choose a package. As of now, there is only one package of um, approximately $70. That is, if we talk about in INR, it comes to like 5,000 rupees, and in USD, it is $70. It is not much, but we are looking for this amount because we are going to provide you lifetime support. Your listing appears on top of listings. You get featured image. You get listing video. You get do follow backlinks. My dear friends, in case you are looking for do follow backlink, that follow backlink only costs approximately 10,000 rupees if it is from relevant data. As your business listing is very much relevant to you. So the follow back link you are getting is very powerful. And we also do powerful SEO for your business listing. And you also get free digital business card worth $15. So once we receive your payment, we create your digital business card and you can get the revisions of this card for 3 times. So if there is any issue with your like and it is not as per your taste, you can get it changed. So now you have chosen the package, you can claim listing. Once you claim listing, I hope you will go to the payment screen here. So here again, you can put your name, last name, your company name, address, town, city, PIN code, phone, email address, everything. Here is your chosen package. Now you can choose PayPal here. So with the PayPal, you can make payment. You can click here. I have read and agree to the website terms and conditions. Then with the help of PayPal, you can make the payment. But you have to fill the details first. So it is asking me to fill the details. So that is the procedure how to claim a listing on Just Bazaar. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time.